What's going on, everybody? Matt Steinman here. In today's video, we're going to show you a brand new feature inside the DropFunnels dashboard called Split Product Payment, basically allowing your visitor to have different options, different payment options for your courses, your membership, your product, whatever you are selling inside the DropFunnels platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, set up the product, and actually set it up inside your funnel right after this short message. So we first need to create a product. So we're going to go into the marketing tab here and go into products. So I'm on a test site here. So I'm just going to create a new product up here in the top right. We're going to give it a product name. We're just going to say DropFunnels Demo. The product price, let's just say it's a membership course, maybe a $2,000 course. So let's just price it at $19.97. Okay, we're going to scroll down here. We're going to select the currency. I'm in the US, so I'm going to select the US dollar. So right down here, you're going to see is split product. So we want to check this box here. And we're going to get this different, this table here that's going to show up. So these are the number of split payments. So the way it works is upon the first initial checkout, the first purchase, they're going to be charged right away. So if they do select just the one-time payment, obviously it's just going to be the $19.97 payment. But if you do have two split payments here, the first one is going to be charged upon checkout. And then depending on what you select here, so maybe we want to say two payments of $12.97. So you're going to obviously generate a little bit more income like that. But sometimes people don't want to pay everything up front. They want to split the payments up into a couple of months. So this is going to add on another month of payment. So this is two total payments of $12.97 over a billing cycle that is monthly. So again, it's going to be charged once upon checkout, and then the second time a month later, so 30 days later, for two payments of $12.97, not the $19.97. You can also add additional options here. Say we can do split payments over 3 months, and we want to tack on interest instead of kind of a straight fee. So say we wanted to add a 15% interest over 3 months. Again, it's going to take the first initial payment and then the next two payments with a interest on them. I'm not sure, I can't really do the math in my head what that's going to be, but you're going to see it a second here in the checkout form. So we're going to say, I usually just click this one-time payment, but it's going to automatically see the split test product here and divvy up the payment. So let's save this product. And now what we want to do is create a funnel page with a checkout form on it so people can actually purchase. So we need to go into the marketing tab over here on the left and then funnels. So I already set up a funnel here, and if you don't have a funnel already set up, you can just come to the top right here and add a funnel. So the split product payment funnel here, I'm just going to click in this white area here, or you can use this toggle. So I added just a blank page here, so I'm going to go into the DropFunnels editor. I'm going to add a checkout form. And again, this is just a blank page. You might have a more developed page, but you'll get the idea here. So I'm going to edit this checkout form a little bit here. So I'm going to go over to the general tab here. I don't need a phone number. I don't need a billing address. Let's just take off the last name for the sake of this example. And you can see here, so now I'm just left with the first name, email, and it says here to process sale, please connect a product. So we need to come over here on the left to the checkout form, click on these three tabs here, go to the products, and we're going to select the product that we just made here, so the DropFunnels Demo. We can choose to show select products section. So if we toggle this on, you can kind of see what these are the options that we built in the back end. So you can see the one-time payment was $19.97. We set up 2 monthly payments for $12.97, and then we set up the 3 monthly payments for 15% interest. So that is $765.52 over a 3-month period. Again, initial payment plus 2 months, so 3 total payments. So you can design this page a little bit more. You can add different colors. You can do different things here. But again, for the sake of this example, we're just going to save this and then come up to the top right and click done and then publish. So what we also need to do is I'm gonna go through a really quick checkout process. So in addition to the checkout form, we need a second page with the order receipt. So we're just going to choose a blank page here. I'm under just the webinar registrations. If I scroll all the way down, we're going to start with a blank page there. I'm just going to say thank you. So this is going to be our thank you page with a receipt module built into it. So those are basically the 2 things that you need, is a checkout form or a 2-step checkout form, and then a receipt page to show your customers. So we're just going to simply grab a order receipt module here. And we're just going to leave it like that. I'm going to click done and publish in the top right here. And then one last step is we need to connect the payment integration. So right now I have Stripe connected, so we're going to turn on test mode here, just so we can run through the process of testing this, and you guys can see exactly what's going to happen here. Okay, so I'm going to launch this page now. I'm going to go into the funnel flow. You can either click on this link or you can click on this top link up here. It's going to launch the checkout form. This is the first page of our funnel. So I'm just going to come up here. And then I'm going to let's select the 2 months payment. Okay, so you can see down here it is updating the order summary. So this is $12.97, 2 monthly payments of $12.97. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the Stripe test payment information and then click checkout. And it's going to take me to the order receipt page. And it says 1 of 2 payments for $12.97. So we know everything is working properly. And then if you are kind of the administrator or you are managing the purchases and stuff for your course, you can go into the sales. And the sales will appear right here. So I can click on this little eye over here. So you can see I purchased this, obviously today. Unit price was $12.97. In progress, 1 of 2. So that means it's going to be, it's going to withdraw another payment 30 days down the road. So that is the split product payment in a nutshell. There will be a link down below with a free 14-day trial to DropFunnels, the all-in-one marketing software of 2020 and beyond. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Comment down below in the video. I respond to all my comments. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.